Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mr. Root here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the animation and Roblox exporter plugin for Blender. Credit goes to Dennis, this wouldn't be possible without him, and it was a pleasure working with him. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first thing you want to do is download the files that I provided in the description. So we have one rbxlblender.py file, and the way we want to install it is by going to Blender, File, User Preference, going to Add-ons, and click Install from File. From there, you'll be prompted with a browser file dialog, and then you want to navigate to where you installed it. So in my case, it's on the desktop. And then go ahead and click Install from File. It's going to bring up a little add-on window, and you want to make sure that you check this little box. Now you notice that when you go to the animation, you'll have an import model, rebuild rig, and a few other options. So the first thing you want to do is open up the example place that Dennis provided in the Roblox thread. Then you want to go to your Roblox browser and navigate to the plugin link. That link will be in the description as well, and just go ahead and click the install button. Then you'll notice that you'll have a Blender Animations tab, so go ahead and click that. Select the rig model, and then you want to click the export rig button. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of my Blender animations and call this Roblox rig. Perfect. Now you want to go back to Blender, and you want to make sure that you hit the import model button. Great. Now you'll notice that your Roblox character is imported into Blender. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you click the rebuild rig button, as this will build the character rig that you can use for animations. So I'm going to go ahead and go down here and click the location rotate button and automatic keyframe. So now you'll notice that if I were to go ahead and select one of the bones down here and make sure you go to pose mode first. Go down here and make sure that you select your rig and then go to pose mode. Now you can pose your character. So in this case, for this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and move forward into the timeline and change the rotation a little bit. So now you'll see that we have a small animation. Once you have your animation, you want to click the export animation button. This will copy a string to your clipboard. Then go back to the Roblox place, and the import animation text box, make sure you hit the load button. Now, if we preview the animation, you'll see that we have our animation. Obviously, you can make much more complex animations, but for the simplicity of the tutorial, I just wanted to make a short one. Once you're satisfied with your animation, go ahead and click the Upload Animation button. This will allow you to upload your Roblox animation. Then you want to make sure you copy this ID. So now, if we go ahead and import our own rig, click File, Import, and put in our ID, you'll notice that we have our Roblox animation. Now you'll notice that there's a bunch of keyframes. That's because I didn't actually change the animation length. So you want to make sure that you change your animation length to how long animation is so you don't get a bunch of unnecessary keyframes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and major credit to Dennis once again for making this plugin possible. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.